So you see, myself and my wife, we're planning on our honeymoon, man.
Okay.
Yes.
Where do you guys plan to go to?
Cape Town, my brother.
SA?
Yes, boss. yeah. I tell you.
Yeah, Cape Town is beautiful.
Yeah. My wife is just one excited woman. I tell you.
Yeah.
She wants to shop down the whole
Of course.
Come on whose bill? What are you talking about? You said,
but you know women.
Brother.
You can't change them.
Oh, God. And you see, hey, what's going on there?
What?
I mean, that distance. Oh my God.
That's an accident. Wait, what are you doing? Wait. Are you actually stopping to go there? Yes, now. Hey, what's your problem? It's not our business.
My friend, what is wrong with you?
Accidents happen all the time.
You have to be civil. What's your problem?
Hey, well, this is...
What are people doing here? Help him out, sir. You please help him out.
Wow.
Stop it! All right. Let's go.
Help his hand now. Why you help this man?
Suffering.
Quick, man. Quick. Inside. Go outside, help her. Go inside, help him.
Yeah, no go drink.
What is going on here? We've been here for over 12 minutes and you guys are so relaxed. What is happening? What's going on?
Oh, okay. Maybe we should start taking sick people to the river instead of the hospital. What's all this now? I don't understand. I mean, you people are not even talking.
Please, calm down. Don't be annoyed. The doctor will still be here.
What do you mean the doctor will soon be here? We've been here for...
Excuse me, where is the doctor?
He'll soon be here.
What do you mean he'll be here? What are you talking about? Where is the doctor?
He'll soon be here. Just calm down.
Who are making noise here? This is the hospital and not the marketplace. Mata.
Yes, doctor.
Hey, hold on. Doctor, right?
Yes.
This man is an accident victim, alright? We brought him here, we've been here for over 12 minutes. 12 minutes and nothing has happened. Nobody has taken care of him. What's going on? What kind of hospital are you running here?
Is that meant to be an embarrassment to
I don't care. Don't shout at me, okay? Don't. I'm saying this man is an accident victim and I don't understand the kind of fiasco you run as a hospital here. Take care of him.
Look, doctor, he didn't mean to embarrass you, right? Just look at him, please.
Look, I don't care. Let him do his job. Excuse me? What did you just say? No, what did you just say? Look, this man is an accident victim. What are you talking about here?
Okay. If you want the doctor to attend to this man, You need to go get a police report. Otherwise, nobody's going to attend to this man.
Police report for what? Do you see any bullet wound on him? What are you talking about? What does police report have to do with this man?
What kind of sick hospital is this? I mean, the doctor couldn't even listen to me.
Enyoma, wait.
Yes.
Where are you going to now?
Sorry, I didn't let you know. They said I should go get police reports before they commence treatment on the boy.
Wait. You actually want to go there? To the police station?
Of course now.
Enyoma, what is wrong with you now? What's wrong with you? See how you're sweating for another man's trouble? Look, it's not too late for us to leave this guy alone. What's wrong? Stop me, I'll run. No.
Oh, stop it. What's your problem? Are you a human being or are you a robot? What's your problem? Look, I'm going to the police station. You just stay back here, pressurize these people to help this boy.
Okay, you want to go then? Me, I'll stay back. I should stay back.
Of course now. What's wrong with you?
Come and go now. What do you mean I should stay back? We brought this guy to this place. Now you want to run?
Me run?
Yes, you want to run.
Don't you know me?
I don't know you.
Why would I run?
Run?
My friend, just stay back here and pressurize these people to help this boy. Stop it!
Look, Enyoma, don't run. Look, Enyoma, if you leave me here and run, God will punish your family.
God has no reason to punish my family because I'm coming back.
Don't run.
Just stay back here. No.
Osi, you see this boy? I will kill him. And because I want arrest, I kill him.
I took an accident victim to the hospital and they said they wouldn't treat him without a police report, so I want one now, please.
Yes. Come this way. You see, first of all, you have to make your own report on paper. You understand?
Yes.
You will write how you write everything that happened, how you saw the man, and how you couldn't hold your brake until you hit him.
Excuse me, I didn't hit him, all right? I actually saw his car already upside down and I decided to help the man, that's all.
You will write everything for paper.
All right, give me the paper and pen, let me write.
Paper. Enter the side. You go see one who see by your right. He go help you.
This way.
Just this way.
Are you the one looking for a report?
Yes.
What is the man's name?
He's an accident victim I just picked. I don't know his name. I took him to the hospital.
What is his color?
He's dark, chocolate.
What of his the color of his eyes?
Look, the man had blood stains all over him. I didn't look at his eyes, no.
What of his height can you guess?
Say 5 feet.
Any tribal mark?
5 foot plus, thereabout. No tribal marks, no.
What are the two major languages he can speak?
What is this? What is wrong? Look, the man was crying in pain. I told you he's an accident victim, okay? He was crying in pain. How would a man crying in pain start telling you the number of languages he speaks?
What of his blood group?
What is wrong with these people? What is this? Look, this is somebody's life we're toying with here, all right? Do you want to give me this police report or I go somewhere else? What's this? How am I to know his blood group? Am I his father?
Anyway, be patient because we have no light. Unless you're in a position to bring money so that you can fuel that generator.
What is this?
Excuse me.
Look, come and take the money. Come.
Yeah, they've taken him to the hotel.
Yes. Oh, this policeman. Yes. While going to get the police reports. I just decided they come here themselves. You know, I like clarity. Yes, yes. It's all right. It's okay. Doctor, yes?
He lost a lot of blood.
What? What?
We lost him.
What are you talking about? What do you mean you lost him? No. What are you talking about? What are you insinuating?
You know, it's a doctor.
Excuse me?
What are you insinuating?
Look, this man, when I brought this boy, the boy stayed over 12 minutes and this man refused to treat him. Now the boy is dead.
Doctor. The young man I'm trying to resuscitate in my theater died just now, and this man is accusing me.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
What are you talking about? Eh?
It's like in the station, go rest statement. Me see Oga.
The doctor said the man is dead. So we have to go back to the station and make another statement.
Yes.
To do what?
Write the statement.
Statement?
Write another statement.
What for? What am I going to the station for?
To
write statement for what? Whatever for? Excuse me, what are you talking about?
We don't need to hurt you.
What are you talking about? Write statement for what? What do you mean for what?
No, for the gospel now.
Excuse me, better stop that silly joke.
Let's go to the station and make statements. The boy don't die. See, he don't
Look,
die.
I'm not going to any station. I don't know what you people are talking about. What do you mean I should go to the station?
Let's go to the station first now.
No, but why? But what am I going to the station for? Tell me. What am I doing?
This is your friend. Let's go to the station. You just make an ordinary statement. That's all.
What do you mean police is my friend? Don't push me, my friend. What is that? I don't know this boy's name. I just helped him out, brought him here. The unfortunate thing happened, so
You don't talk the matter. I said anything down. To the station. That's all. You make ordinary statements.
That's all.
Gentlemen,
Don't push me. I'm not a criminal, okay?
Okay, let's go. Okay, now let's go. Help us to help you. That's
On a serious note, this is wrong. This is wrong. This is so wrong. I mean, what did I kill the boy? Did I do anything?
You are doing this thing like say anything down.
Let's just go to the station. That's all.
No, you will not do your job. You just want to arrest me. What are you arresting me for now? What am I going to the station to do?
Nothing, just ordinary statements.
I'm not really finding this funny, seriously.
It's okay, gentleman, it's okay now. Let's go there now.
Fast now.
Why is his phone not going through? My goodness. I hope he has not lost his phone again. This is serious. My God. Come to my office right away.
Madam, you called.
Yes, I did. Where is Mr. Morgan?
In his office now.
Okay. When you're through with the vouchers, take them to him to proofread, okay?
Okay.
All right. I am going to town. I'll be right back. Okay.
Welcome.
How are you?
Fine, so how was your day?
My day was fine, no. What will you do? Okay, if you see what Kata did to me today, I was sneezing everywhere.
You didn't go out with your drugs?
Carry my drugs in my bag.
Of course not.
Drugs. Don't say that again. Did my husband come home?
No, I've not seen him.
You've not seen him?
Yeah. Looks so weak. Hope you're okay.
I'm not fine. I'm not just fine.
You're not fine. What is it?
Okay, everything is not fine. I'm having feelings that it's not well.
All is well. Just take it easy. Okay?
His lines are not going through.
Maybe if phones are down, you'll be fine.
Okay, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that his phones are down. Before he left this house, he charged them fully well. I'm telling you.
Just relax.
I'm
You're
sure
not
of what
a
I'm
grown woman.
saying.
You should know how to control your emotions. Okay? Just cheer up. Everything will be fine.
I don't know if he traveled. No, he can't travel without telling me. He did not. He didn't.
It's fine. Just relax your mind. Okay?
Oh no, I believe everything is okay.
Everything is fine.
Yeah, okay. Please give me water to drink.
Okay.
Mind you, a cold one.
Okay.
No,
Just relax.
because of this, my advice. Okay, I promise. What are you watching?
So I'm joining you. I'm coming back.
This.
I've been calling you, I've been disturbing you on phone because I thought he went to your house. Hey, what kind of temptation is this now?
He didn't come to my house. Huh? Have you called him on phone?
Several times.
Why didn't he call you to say his movement was changing?
His movement couldn't have changed because I sent him to represent me in a business meeting. You know, I did it on purpose because I've been grooming him to take over his late father's companies.
That's good. That's very good.
I think I have to call the commissioner of police.
No. Let's wait a while. You see, even the police cannot take report of a missing person until after 24 hours.
You mean I have to wait for 24 hours?
We have to wait. You see, I believe he will be back. Just be patient.
Oh, God.
Be patient.
Hey.
I will be going there. I'll also call later to know the situation.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Sundu, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm happy you're here. I've been so anxious the whole of today.
Anxious? What's wrong?
Yes, I was going to visit you. Did you see my husband?
Let me see. What's left the thing?
Excuse me. Sorry.
No, I was just, I just wanted to ask you, did you try his line?
It's not been going through. I've tried. Osundu, please, is there anything I need to know?
No, not at all. I was just, actually I came, I thought I would meet him at home, but since he's not here, just tell him I came, okay? Okay? Alright, bye.
Bye. What do I do now? Uka.
The suspect is being detained here and we've been waiting for the family of the late young man.
Yes, we are members of the family.
Have you been to the hospital? Have they showed you the cops?
Yes, they did. They did. And I must thank you, officer, for the effort made so far.
Please. Can we see the idiots who killed my son?
Sorry, madam. But now we have protocol.
It's just to take a look. It's naturally proper for us to see him.
After due process.
Seriously, I'm not a killer. I'm not a killer. I'm not a killer. Seriously, I'm being detained here because of my kind-heartedness.
Kind-hearted what? Ness. Were you not trying to say wicked-heartedness?
No, sir, no.
Look at you.
Sir, this is what happened. Me and my friend were driving into town. Then we saw the accident scene. People were already there looking at his unconscious state. But before we could come out from our car, they all left. Maybe they thought we were security men or something.
Look at you, security man. Look at you.
Sir, seriously, I tell you this is the truth. It was the protocol and delay of the police station and the hospital that made him lose his life.
Liar! Liar! I was told that you came here to collect police reports.
Yes. But that was because the hospital insisted on it.
People living there said you rammed your car into his own car and then he jammed his car on a wall.
Sir, it's a lie. It's a lie, sir. My car is outside. My car is outside. You can go and look at my car. If you see any dent or any blood stain, sir, you can believe these people.
Are you foolish enough to leave blood stain from your car up to this moment? What are you talking? Are you fooling us?
Hey, it's okay.
Are you fooling us?
It's okay. Let's go.
Hey, what's regular water? Shut up. Let's go. Hey, what's regular water? Hey, what's regular water? You're fooling children. Small boys and girls.
Yeah, I actually came back to tell you the truth.
Oh, yeah. Say it. There's no time. Say it.
You see, there was an accident early this morning. Yes, and your husband and I were driving down the road and we saw this accident victim, and you know your husband, he wanted to help.
Did he?
Of course he did. He helped the guy, and that was what got him into trouble.
Trouble? Who is giving him trouble? Come and show me, let me give them trouble. Taniye.
Calm down, okay? Calm down, please. Look, we took the guy to the hospital, all right? And they told us to get a police report before they could commence treatment. And your husband went to get it, and by the time he came back, the poor guy was dead.
Oh my God. So what happened later?
I warned your husband, right? I warned him, but he'll never listen to me. I told him, I said, look, this is not our business. Let's just go, right? But he'll never listen to me. He decided to help the guy, and they accused him of killing him, and they arrested him.
What? Oh my God. No, it's not true. No. How could they do such a thing? Oh no. Oh, which police station? Oh, somebody come and show me the place.
Central Police Station, I guess.
No, come and show me the place or something.
Wait,
come and show me where they
listen,
took my husband to. No, you can't tell me that.
Can you just listen
Come and show me.
Calm down and listen to me. We can't go there right now. Look, it's late. Alright, we'll go there tomorrow. We can't go to the police station right now.
I just want to see him, that's all. Let me just see him.
Listen.
I want to see him, just to see him. Please, come and show me my husband.
We'll go there. Alright. Just sit down. Just sit down.
Police station.
They arrested him.
Don't worry, you'll see him tomorrow.
Hey, Yuche, Murajo. I have plenty things to do. If I don't come now, they will say I didn't come and that I'm a bad friend. I'm here now, she's still keeping me waiting. And I don't have time. Jesus. Hey, from here now, we'll go to Kiniko police station. From police station to the market. From market. What is this boy's name again? How can I forget so soon? I'm ready.
Don't be angry. Thank God you came so early. Oka, please take care of this house, okay? We'll soon be back. Just take care of the house.
Oka, kí ló ń ṣe? You are crying? Don't worry, When I get to the station, they will release your husband. They will release him. You know me now. They will release. Amy, don't worry, Stop crying.
We don't have time.
Sorry, stop crying, You people should go and bring him out, so that we can leave this place. Because this man you're talking of, I know him very well. He cannot do this kind of thing. Yes. He cannot do it.
Hey! Who made this noise here? Who made this noise?
Allow me to see my husband. I brought food for him.
Food? Who they talk about food here? That person the job? Oh, you won't give him food? What about the man with the mortuary?
When I think say, when I could come here and begin to shout at me.
They ram up.
Could I begin to go? Oh yeah. Maybe when I begin to go, the person where when I look for, they look for. They got alone. Carry your food, begin to walk.
I'm leaving here.
Carry your food, begin to walk.
How could you detain and punish a man who merely took a dying man to the hospital for treatment? Is it fair?
Koda. This is practical wickedness. Because where I come from, you cannot do this type of thing and go scot.
Hey! What is the problem here? And who are these people?
These people say, I mean them say, then they look for that person where kill person.
I'm his wife. I'm Enyoma's wife.
Yes.
I've come to see him. He did not kill anybody.
How well do you know him?
He didn't do it.
Sir, I know him very well.
Well, you people cannot see him now. We are still investigating the matter.
Iro is a lie. Iro, he can't do this now. He cannot do this. In fact, we did not come to see him. We want to carry him home.
On whose order? On your orders, Officers, sir, take this lady out of this place.
Oh, yeah. Guys!
Move! Madam!
Move it! If I go around if I go around, come move it! Come move it!
Keep quiet.
Sit down! Come on! Alright! Come on, sit down! Sit down! Sit down!
Oh boy, now so this Yoruba woman that told the white man. Like that writer.
Anichi Odinachi, I thank you for honoring this invitation. I sent for the two of you for all of us to rub minds on the way forward, considering the situation before us. We all know the present situation.
Where is the man that killed him?
He's in police cell, and the police are waiting for us to give them the go-ahead to go to court.
Wait. What else are we still talking about? The man should be sentenced to death by hanging, since he is denying.
It is not for us to say. It's a court judge that should determine that. That's the way it is done.
Was it that man? I shouldn't have sent you out that morning. I shouldn't have sent you out.
Why are you blaming yourself? Why? Tell me that woman who could not send her child on an errand.
Just like my name Amechi, nobody knows tomorrow. How could we have known that he will meet his death in the course of running the errand? It never happens.
We'll get to the end of this. We must.
Hey Uche, stop crying and finish your story. Tell us what happened. Stop crying, Stop crying.
When I went there, they did not allow me to see him. And I also heard that the man's family is bent on taking the matter to court tonight. And if that happens, I'm afraid they might tell my husband.
Hey!
They might tell my husband.
Nkemekwa, eh?
My goodness. Hey! Hey, Punka. Ozaneme. Eh? What is happening? Hey, Uche, please. Please stop crying. Oh, Biko, Indugu, stop crying. Everything will be fine. Oh, everything will be fine. Oh, hey. Nine. I think you must follow her to the city. Hmm? There is need for you to join her to the city. At least to see things for yourself. Eh? She's too young to carry all this by herself. She's too young. Biko.
Don't worry, Uche. We need to get a better. Stop crying, eh? I will go with you. We shall go and talk to the family of the dead man. They are human beings, and they will listen to us. Don't worry, my daughter. Stop crying. Just sit down. Eh? You are husband's late parents. We are good people. Friends to all.
Yes.
Eh?
Exactly.
Stop crying.
My goodness. Nine. I think you go with somebody. Eh? You need to go with somebody. You need a second voice. You need a second voice behind you.
That's true. I will ask Elochukwu to go with me. Yes. Elochukwu is good. He will go with me. I'm coming.
Stop crying. Everything will be fine. Oh, stop crying. Oh, just believe God.
I am the divisional crime officer here, and this matter came to my table as soon as it happened. Well, I will allow you people to see him, but be rest assured that this matter is going to court. At least from what I can see in this file. So I advise you to employ the services of a lawyer.
Sir, my husband is not guilty of the crime. They're doing this because they're highly connected. Well, it's not fair. It's not fair at all.
Officer, can we see him now?
At least to hear from him.
You said you're his wife.
Yes, sir. I'm his wife.
For how long have you been married?
We got married last Saturday.
Okay, you push wait outside. I'll send somebody to take you to him.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
I had come before to secure your release, but they refused. So I went to the village to bring Uncle Lelo and Uncle Lubu.
Thank you for coming, Uncle. Thank you so much. I didn't kill anybody. And I'll never accept what I didn't do. I heard the young man was the only child of his mother. And they are highly connected. That's why they want to put me in jail. But I tell you this, darling. Don't relent in your prayers. I know God is on the throne. And He will see me through.
It's all right, Enyama. We've heard what you said. We shall go now and see whether we can meet with the other family. We also need to hear from them. It's all right.
So what do I get for your dinner?
Yo, what happened? Let's go. Come, let's go. Now give me a time. I'll go take advantage. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I dey respect this. Eka.
I mean, we dey put on the
Thank you, respect it.
Yes.
Go now. I dey like first thing.
We have been too lenient with these people in this our case.
Good afternoon, everybody.
And who are you people? Can't you see that we are holding a family meeting here?
Please, can we sit down?
Can't you talk without sitting down? Huh?
Anyway, our people...
We are not here for what your people have said. What's your mission? What brought you here? And let me warn, if you have come from the family of the murderers, then begin to retrace your steps.
We interviewed him and he told us that he saw a helpless accident victim and decided to take him to the hospital. There they asked him to go to the police for extract. And when he...
So you people are still saying that he did not kill Oster?
Hey!
Eh? Whereas somebody living around there told us the truth.
A neighbor who saw everything at close range.
Since you don't want to tell us the truth, move away. Are you deaf?
Send them away!
Come on, put them out of here! Take him away! Bring him out! Bring him out! Hello! Look at you, why you move? I can see I am moving. Leave this place. Hey!
I cannot remember ever being insulted like this before by anyone. Ha! You need to see how they were talking to us and pushing us about.
Those people are troublesome.
It's just because of their money. Ha! Ego. Akunetibu okwu. Akubudike. Wamazo. Menweriri ego. They want to jail Enyoma, not minding whether he's guilty or not.
Uncle, Daddy's angry because their only son is dead. One question they failed to ask is how he died. Oh God, I know you must surely vindicate us. I know that.
What a humiliation. It was Gaka Chineke, I was Squadamo, na many or Habamo, Super.
I'm sorry for the humiliation.
Don't bother, my dear. Your husband late father would pay any price to save a dying soul. Yes, that is how he was. In your mind, your husband got his soft heart from his father. Yes. Don't bother.
The question I want to ask is, now that they have refused to listen to us, what do we do next?
God, they're only oppressing us because of their wealth. Oh God, this is sheer wickedness. This is oppression, total oppression. Oh God.
She's the one, my friend. Her name is Fumi. Fumi, these are my husband's kinsmen.
Ekulesa.
Look, is she the one that is going to do the errand for us?
Benny.
Is she Yoruba?
Benny, sir.
You're welcome. You have heard everything we said. We want you to talk to her woman to woman. Tell her that we're not troublemakers. Tell her so.
Sir, don't worry. I know what to say to her. I know what to tell her when I get there. You see the woman, I know her very well. My husband used to work in their company before unforeseen circumstances uprooted him from there. He was very hardworking. Very, very hardworking. He goes to work from Monday to Friday. In fact, he even does overtime. He worked so much, devoted his life to this. Josa, Emma Binusa, I'm sorry. But what I'm trying to say is, if they want trouble, let us give them trouble. Because I have never seen this kind of thing before. You do good and somebody pays you back with evil. Because in my own part of the country, Jobode, where I come from, Beko, you cannot do this kind of thing and go scot-free. You cannot. You no go better for them. Me for me liar. Beko. I am so sorry, ma. I was not around when it happened. Ma, how are you preparing?
His family is still insisting that he's innocent. And that is the most agonizing aspect of the whole thing. But we have a strong witness against them. I'm sure they are not aware of that.
Oga. Why are they still insisting?
I don't know. Maybe it's a sign that they are ready for a court case. But it's okay. It's okay by me. I'm sure they do not know that I can afford to hire 10 lawyers.
Benny.
And we have a living witness as well.
Benny, I know that you can hire all the lawyers in this town if you want to. But try and grant them full audience so that you people can come to a compromise. Because even if you put the man in jail or you kill him, your son is gone and will not come back. Koni padawa, he won't come back. 2 wrongs they say cannot make it right.
Wait a minute. Mrs. Adeni, what are you implying?
Me more custom. I don't know your tradition, but if you can try and ask them to pay small something like a compensation, because you know.
For me, Adeni, who are you working for? Who sent you?
No, ma. Nobody sent me. I know that you are so embittered and your heart is almost torn into shreds. You need calm and comfort. But if you think I am talking too much, just go. Just go.
For me, you're right. I am so heartbroken. My only child is dead. So heartbroken.
Stop crying, ma. Kuni dafwenshu. Satan. Just be strong. Think of what the future has in store for you. Compared to what you have already lost.
Do you still need more water?
Curse the stars to fall, and the rain is looming. Now come shelter.
And just look at me. Eating in a police station. In this manner. Life is just unfair.
Baby, enough of this self-pity. Enough of this. Just eat your food before these people takes me away from here. Please.
Slow burning drops of pain, and my soul is hurting. A truckload of shame. Give me, Lord, oh give me strength to face my fear.
Please, no. What else do you want me to do? At least eat your food.
He'll be with you soon, eh? Go see Wala. I just have a brief message for him. Very brief.
Oh, Fumi, you're welcome.
Also, thank you.
Okay, so what can I offer you?
Don't worry. I don't want anything.
Well, hope there's no problem.
Your friend has been in cell since. And you have not cared to visit him even for once. Should I? It's not fair.
So what do you want me to do? Huh? Tell me, what do you want me to do? Look, I warned Enyema from day one. I warned him, I told him that if anything comes out from this venture, I will not be part of it. But he will not listen to me. So what do you want me to do? No, wait. Just wait. You actually want me to go to the station so they will arrest me, Abi? Huh? That's what you want?
What about the wife? Have you cared to visit her even for one day? At least to comfort her. Wait. Madam, Ogini, did they send you here? Go and tell them you did not see us. Or better still, tell them that if he's in charge here.
Please, just take it easy. She's a friend to Enyema's wife.
If she's a friend to whoever, Enyowanine. So, they sent you here to come and implicate me and my husband. You want us to go and involve ourselves in a case that has to do with a dead person? In a chori galapta? Get up and leave my house! True friends are known when the going is bad. When things are not working out well. You understand? Madam, are you actually ignoring me in my own house to continue talking plenty to my husband? I say get up and leave my house! Go see Wala. Get up, get up and leave my house. See Wala. Out! Anele. It is your house. It is. I will go. Start going. No problem. Before we don't have a problem in my house. Start going. But if this were to be somewhere else, can you get me? What will you do? Let's leave it for another day. Out of my house! Come on! Osondu. Please, think about what I told you. Because he's your friend. Think about it. Madam, get out of my house. Start going. Hey! Umi liar. Hey! Now go on. What's on? You sat here speechless and motionless while this Yoruba woman sat here and was vomiting nonsense from her mouth. You couldn't even say a thing. But if it was me, that is when you will show me your power. Hulk Hogan. Meanwhile, Yoruba woman was sitting here, rolling her eyeballs, saying shila bobo in your face. You didn't say anything. Just like you have nothing to say to me. You don't ever have opinions. You come back again. A friend you need. A friend you need.
First of all, let me say that we are sorry for all that happened. We are as confused as you are. It is not for nothing that the tongue sticks to the roof of the mouth when the eyes see strange things. The schnapps and the cola nuts on the table cannot suffice for the head of a son. An only son. But let this be our special way of apologizing traditionally for what our son committed.
Each year, because you see, our people say that the bad odor that trails the he-goat is in the body of the he-goat. Yes, we accept we are at fault. But what we are pleading for here is to be given a safe landing. It is better to fall into the forest than to fall into a river.
Okay. You have mesmerized us enough with your proverbs. Now let's present to you conditions for releasing Enyoma. First of all, You have to marry a wife for Osita. The wife has to be married in her name. Do you understand? You know how such things are done. Either you bring a girl who is pregnant already or a girl who has such a prospect. Do you understand? Then you have to offset burial bills.
Our ears are open.
The burial bill will include a befitting coffin.
Is there any other thing?
Other things will be hospital and mortuary bills, a cash of 250,000 naira. Yes. These were all we decided in a family meeting we held on this issue.
Please, is there any way this money can be cut down?
Hey.
Because Enyoma is a lone cock growing in the wilderness. His parents are no more. We are just his kinsmen interceding.
And I just got married. And
What was that? No. What was that? Was my son not an only son growing in the wilderness too? Eh? You people will not like me if I lose my temper here. Any more of those, that your stupid excuse, I will lose my temper and you will not like what I'll do here.
Are you people ready to meet these conditions? Or do we go to court?
Please, we shall go back to Enyoma's house and discuss.
We will bring you a feedback in less than 4 days' time.
You better do it fast. Do it fast because delay will be dangerous.
We will. We will be on our way now.
Well, I don't need to bet with you. You know why? Because I know you, and I already know what you're made of. I mean, see the way Inyoma's wife has been standing by him through all his problems. If you were the one, you would have abandoned me, right? You would leave me. You think I don't know?
Wait, though. So, all of a sudden, Eyuche, Inyoma's wife, is now my comparison. As what now? Onto it. Okay. Oh, okay. It's beginning to make sense. You have started something with her. Come, let's hear it now. Huh? Am I about to have Nyedi?
Will you shut up there? You're very stupid.
So you're still going? You want to go? It's... I'll wait for you.
All the hospital bills, mortuary, an expensive coffin, 250,000 naira, and the most confusing one, to marry a pregnant girl for them, one expected to give them a son to replace Osita.
Oh, my head is carrying too much. I can't bear this anymore. I'm so confused.
Hey,
I'm so confused. Uncle. Where do we start from? And I can't support my husband to take another woman for someone, for whatsoever reason. Please, let's think over this issue.
Do you want us to back out?
No. I don't want to. It's just that, okay, what if he marries another woman?
If he marries another woman, it does not mean that he is marrying a second wife. That woman will be given to them for their son.
Hey, Jesus.
I'm not saying that your husband committed a crime. But what I'm saying is that we have to pacify them to bring out your husband from police detention. Or do you want him to remain there and develop diseases?
No.
I think what you need to do is to make arrangement for 250,000 naira. That is where we can start from. Yes.
Okay, do you know the worst part of this matter? Is that people think Inyoma has money. Inyoma does not have money. He doesn't. He's just a hard-working young man trying to survive. He doesn't have money.
We are not saying that your husband has money. But just try and write out a check of 250,000 naira. We send it to the police station for him to sign. Then we proceed with it to the place. You know where he keeps his checkbooklets, don't you?
I know this will be too hard for you, but we must do it. Unless you don't want us to continue, we are way back out.
No, I don't want it. I need you people.
Anyway, my dear, that's just what you have to do. Eh?
On the 22nd of August 2007, I lost my husband in the most unceremonious manner. And now, on the 15th of March 2010, I lost the only thing I had left. The only one I had. Who am I making all this money for?
My uncles, I thank you for coming and I thank you for all your efforts. I believe the sky will be bright again.
Amen.
The sky must surely be bright, and I pray it won't get gloomy again.
Amen. Enyoma, we are truly making a headway. We just met with the family of late Osita. And this time around, they did not chase us away. And we had an agreement. Yes.
Okay.
They have just given us the list of what we are going to do so that this matter will not go to court. And you also come out of this place. Yes.
They gave you conditions?
Yes.
And you accepted?
What do you expect?
Do you know, that also means you accept the fact that I killed their son.
No, just wait. It's not that way. They asked us to settle all the hospital and mortuary bills and marry a pregnant girl for them in Osita's name. The girl is expected to give them a son to replace Osita. Plus Enyoma listing, plus a befitting coffin for his burial, and 250,000 naira cash.
And to that respect, we ask your wife to write a check. And since we are to start from 250,000 naira, what we need you to do now is to sign the check, and we can go and withdraw the money and give to them.
Honey, you have to stop crying, okay? All we want is for you to come out of this place. That's all that matters to us. Please.
To hell with the agreement. To hell with Osita's people. I will not pay any money. I will not buy any coffin. Even if it's with the last breath in me. I refuse to pay for any God-forsaken burial arrangement. What is this? Is this a dream or something?
You mean we have been wasting our time all these weeks?
Look, my uncles, please. But you see, all these conditions you've mentioned to me are not acceptable by me. No!
See it? See what the stubbornness of your husband has cost us here. If I leave this place, I will simply wash off my hands from this matter.
Honey, please. I beg you. Please.
No, what are you begging me for? No, tell me, what are you begging me for?
You should know better.
I'm surprised that you mean you went into my room, got my checkbook, and wrote on it for me to sign? Do you know the implication?
Whatever implications. I don't care, Nyoma. All I want is your freedom. Freedom? Yes, freedom.
Freedom with a tormented conscience? I'd rather die in jail than accept what I did not do. If you still know how to pray, go ahead and do so.
Nyoma, what are you trying to do? You're working out on us? Hey, Nyoma!
Where are people going to?
Onano?
Ebe.
Ona? Hey, you chair. My hands are off this matter. If they want to take Enyoma to court, let them do. After all, that is what he wants.
God in heaven knows we have tried our best. Is it easy for us to have left our families all these weeks to ensure that Enyoma regains his freedom? Anyway, no problem. We are going.
And you people cannot leave me to carry this burden all alone now. You have to stay with me. I need you.
What do you want us to do? Eh? With which face do we go to Osita's people and tell them that we can no longer fulfill the promise we made to them? Do I look like a small boy to you?
For me, I don't want to fall into swimming pool again. That's all I know.
Because no. Stay with me.
Oh, well, let's go.
Oh, okay. Since you've made up your mind, at least I can give you people transport fare to transport you home.
Transport, I think it's good. Okay, go in and get it. Save our time.
And my soul is hurting. A truckload of shame.
You said your husband's kinsmen have gone back to the village. Leaving you to carry this burden all alone. Go down.
That's what it looks like. But actually, I'm not alone. You know, God is with me.
Amen. Good afternoon. Osondu's wife. This one that you have come here today, I hope we are safe. No taking this. Abumumong. Why won't you be safe? How is your husband?
He's fine. He's still there.
Did my husband, Osondu, did he come here?
No, I've not seen him for long now. Yes. Osondu has never cared to go and see his friend at the station.
That is not fair. That is not fair. You see, this is the friendship we are talking about. Friendship. I have come here today because my friend has problem. Your husband should also try to come and see her husband. Friendship. A friend in need, they say, is a friend indeed.
Sunday really surprises me. Honestly.
Wait. Hey, are you trying to make me understand something here? Ngewa, it's not so because your husband is in detention, you want my own husband, Osondu, to always rally round you and keep you company. As what? As your boy, as your companion. Ah. Oh, okay. You know that I'm a woman. And I know that it has been a long time you felt a man. But look beside you now. Nene wa Yoruba. Why you fem man, no family? She will just be speaking batting all the time. She can hook you up. More beefy. I will not sit here and watch you talk about my own husband. No, now.
Amy. Go on. Amy. Bah. Oh, Lord, she broke. Oh, Lorinier. In fact, you are very stupid. You're the most useless woman I've ever seen. Oh, that is what you came to say to a woman in trouble. Where?
You said trouble? All of us have troubles. Troubles that affect our life. You have your own trouble, I have my own in my house. But we learn to deal with it. Yes. Me. You carry your cross.
Ife, leave my house.
Did you hear her? Carry this carcass and carry it and leave this house immediately. My share where Why?
You say house. Where is the house? A house that there is no man. This is a house.
I will show you, I will show you. Bah! Lori Bruku. Idiot. Bele, my dear.
It's okay.
If you had informed me earlier, I would have come to the city and talked to him myself, not minding my ailments. You cannot be made to go all through this just immediately after your wedding. It's too early.
I'm scared, Mama. Honestly. I'm scared.
You don't have to be. Be strong. All you have to do is to be steadfast in your prayers and keep to the promise you made to him on the altar. He's still dead.
I assure you, Mama, everything will be fine, okay? I wouldn't want you to trouble your mind over all this, okay? All you need to do for me is to relax your mind. I promise you, you will get well for me.
Hello, beautiful. Where are you up to? Come on, I can give you a ride. But honestly, it's not right that a beautiful angel like you is standing under the sun. Come on, I'll give you a ride.
Thank you. I don't need your help.
Oh, come on, cross my heart. I don't mean any harm. I just want to give you a ride to town. Come on, cross my heart, please.
Okay, thank you.
Well, what are the introductions? My name is Chief Ogazi Nwakibea. Chairman, Chief Executive, Ogazi International. And what's yours?
Mrs. Inyuchebe.
Well, it's like you live around here. I notice you, sometimes when I'm driving past, it's like you live around here.
No, I live off the streets. I usually come down here to get a cab.
Oh, really? That's good. And you have a lovely phone there. Well, let me look at it.
For what?
Oh, just let me see. I like it. All right. See, check the last died number. You have my number now and I have yours.
What did you just do? You mean you dialed your number with my phone?
Oh,
why should you do such a thing? I'm a married woman, for God's sake. See.
But we are friends now, aren't we? I mean, we could help each other along the way. You never can tell. Come on. There's nothing wrong with it, is there?
There's everything wrong with it.
Okay, all right. See, well, like I told you, you are a very beautiful woman. You see,
Are you stupid? What kind of a thing is this? You're crazy, you know. I said you should leave me alone. Don't you ever try that. Then stop me here. I said you should stop me here.
Okay, hold on. I understand.
I said stop me here. You're saying all right. Stop me here. Do you want me to shout? Stop me here.
But this is the middle of nowhere.
I said you should stop me here. Hey, help me.
Save me, Jehovah. Save my wretchedness. Save me, Jehovah, from this evil world. Save me, Jehovah.
I called you because of the request you made the other time.
Yes, you know, I was begging you to help me talk to Osita's family. You know, my husband has rejected the conditions given to him, and his uncles have deserted him. It's now just me and my husband. Please, sir, I would highly appreciate any form of assistance right now.
I am the divisional crime officer here. I'm equally a lawyer by training, and I have carefully studied your husband's case file, and I know where all the knots are tied. I know the cleavages of the matter and who caused what.
Thank you, sir.
I can even help you arrange the services of a lawyer, and at least, look for a way to twist the matter in order to grant him bail. You see, the problem is
just his stubbornness.
No, not his stubbornness. I don't know whether if you understand the game.
What game?
He who wants to kill a mosquito with his hands must surely clap. Are you ready to clap?
Excuse me. Are you by any chance giving me conditions?
Come on. You're a pretty woman. Look at you. Just look at me and get celebrating. Just give me what you have, and I'll give you what you want.
I'm so sorry. I can't play your game.
Do you want your husband to go to jail?
Well, if it pleases God.
It doesn't please God for any man to go to jail.
Neither does it please him for any man to sleep with another man's wife.
Well, I can see that your stubbornness is worse than that of your husband's. Leave my office.
I will leave.
Change your mind. Don't hesitate to call me,
The amazing thing is that each time he does an act of charity, he falls into trouble, Pastor.
The Bible says we should not be worried at doing good. He should not be discouraged. One day, God will remember him as he remembered Cornelius in the Bible.
I need prayers, Pastor. We need a miracle.
Oh yes, I've been praying for him. And God is going to use this case to show you great miracles and signs. Only do not play with your dignity. It's very important.
Thank you, Pastor. Oh, Pastor, will you go and see my husband in the police station?
Oh, why not? I will go and see him, but for now we have to pray. He needs it. He needs prayers. Let us pray. Lord Jesus, by the comprehensive power in the blood, you can do all things.
Hey, you Che. Hey, you Che.
Yes, what's that?
There's a policeman outside.
Policeman?
Yes.
For what?
I don't know. I saw them coming down from their car.
Hey, madam.
Good evening, gentlemen.
Good evening. We are here on official assignment.
Okay, sit.
We are not here to sit. Information came to us that your husband deals on cocaine, ammunition, and some dangerous chemicals.
No, my husband.
Yes.
He never dealt in such businesses. My husband is a good businessman. His business is legal.
Oh, we are liars. Okay. Officers, please go inside these rooms, search everywhere. I mean, turn it upside down. I want to see something.
What?
Hey, you. I don't want to hear anything from you. Get outside. I mean, go outside.
Okay. Go outside and wait. There's no problem. Just go outside and wait.
Fine. I'll wait for you there.
Wait outside.
Pretty woman.
Excuse me?
Have you changed your mind?
On what?
I'm not sure. So we searched everywhere. We didn't see anything like that.
Okay. Wait for me in the car.
Yes, sir.
I told you my husband is a good businessman, that he never dealt in such businesses.
Listen,
I told you.
If you accept being my girlfriend, your husband will not go to court, which means he will not go to jail.
So you can't do good without conditions. So you can't.
You're still arguing with me, eh? Okay, we shall see. Remember, he that wants to kill a mosquito with his hands must clap with both hands.
Uka, come back, Joe. Nonsense.
Since they don't want to come, I think we have to take this case to court.
I don't know why they should come here to deceive us. Eh?
Maybe they are having some misunderstandings amongst themselves. Who knows?
Do we send them a message?
What for? We need to be very careful not to sound apologetic on this case. My only son is gone, and they want to toy with me? No way. Since they do not want settlement, I am taking this case to court.
No. No. What about that thing I told you some time ago? You've not been able to give me a straightforward response. It's been 2 years since you lost your husband. Eh?
Meche, you have come again with this, your marriage proposal. I don't want to marry again. I don't want to remarry. Marriage has dealt a hard blow on me. I don't want it anymore.
But as your late husband's brother, I can marry you. I can marry you.
Is that why you're helping me in this case?
No. Far from it. No.
Meche, I don't want to marry you. Not because you're a bad person, no. But I don't know. I cannot tell.
You see it. You have no reason to reject my proposal. You see, there's no basis for your rejection. Eh?
Meche, please, just forget about this marriage issue for now. As you can see, I am still mourning my son. Please. Excuse me.
I wonder who is the man in her life. If she marries out, all my late brother's money and companies will go to the family of her new husband. And that means we will lose a fortune. Grace, I must marry you.
he cannot do anything or drop anything to implicate me. I know exactly what he wants. I mean, I know he wants me. Just that. You know that's what he wants. He lost it. Know me or know me.
You see, if that is what you must do, so that your husband can come out of the cell, there's nothing there. I will advise you give it to him.
Fumi, what did you just say? What did I hear you say? Jesus Christ, I can't believe this. Fumi, you mean I should go ahead and sleep with that man? Is that what you're advising me to do? Do you know one thing? If not for our long-term friendship, do you know what I would have done?
What?
I would have asked you out of my house this minute. Because I can't believe you. I'm so disappointed at you.
You don't need to walk me out of your house before I know I should go. You should have told me this is what you wanted to say. I don't need to leave the house now before you see. How many of your friends still come here to look for you? How many? Count, let me hear. How many?
Please wait. Fumi, wait. No, don't go. Please, I'm sorry. I'm begging you.
Talk now, talk.
Fumi, no, I can't compromise my integrity for anything. Please, I'm sorry. Please.
Integrity. That is the only thing I get to hear. This holier than thou attitude was what landed your husband in the prison. The cell that he is right now. Here you are, integrity. You won't do something to bring your husband out of the police cell. Hey Joe, come and see me off, Joe. Integrity woman.
Why are you behaving this way now? It's not fair. Why are you behaving this way? Fumi, it's not fair. Fumi.
Be strong, my brother. Just remember that whatever you are passing through now is for a purpose and to the glory of God. Remember Job in the Bible. Remember Joseph, Daniel, David, Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego. God allowed these men to go through such difficult time just to prove them and prepare them with greater things ahead of them. I know that very soon you are going to come out from this place. Just be strong. It is well. Let us pray. Our Father, we thank you because of today. I bring your son, brother Ini, before your throne. I know there's a purpose where you are lying.
Madam, I better do fast though.
Take it easy now.
I'm able.
Customer.
I better take Jerry.
Thank you. Drink water.
This biscuit is too dry.
You have money. Take it.
Hello, darling. How is business today?
Welcome.
Thank you.
Who showed you my shop?
Let me quickly run along.
Why now?
I will see. Business. Marry later. We'll see you later.
Hi. Hey, you che. Mama. I get whatever information I want into. I also know that you have a problem. And I have come to help you out.
So how?
You see, I have the powers to influence the powers that be in the case. And they will simply strike it off. Hi!
So, on what basis?
Euche, on the basis that I love you. You see, forget about all the problems that you have been through. Forget about. Once I come into your life,
I will transform you and you will become the toast of this town. I can wait. I know you are worried about your husband. I know you're worried about your husband. You see, but your husband will simply be a husband.
Yes. So my husband will just be there, acting as a husband, while you, pot-bellied old fool, will be here, operating as a serviceman. Okay. It's time to leave my shop.
Ayuche, you see, you and I are alone here. We can actually start something.
Are you deaf? I said leave my shop this minute. Senseless old fool. You're a disgrace to marriage, if you must know. I pity your wife. Now get out of my shop. Are you still here? Wait for me.
Ayuche, you will look for me in this town.
Let me find you.
You will look for me.
Look at you. Foolish man. Illiterate. Dunce.
I don't understand what you're saying. I don't understand. He came into the shop, we were there together. And I simply took my leave. Especially when he started calling you that, that thing.
Look at you. For me, look at yourself. Listen for me. That you're older than me doesn't mean I'm still a kid. See, from all indication, you're working for Chief Okazi. Okay, the other day you made mention of me having a boyfriend, and that was exactly where he started disturbing me. And today again, he came to the shop, and you smartly paved way for him to start talking nonsense into my ears. For me, stop arranging men for me. Did you get?
Echo, Abinu. I won't say it again. You want to help somebody, it's problem. You don't have problem.
Suit number A/3C/2010 between the state and Mr. Enyoma Ibe. My lord, the accused is present.
Representation. My lord, I am Mobolaji Oshon, Esquire, representing the state. Any representation for the accused?
I don't have a lawyer, my lord. Why would I get a lawyer when I know God is my lawyer? At this instant, I adjourn the case to the 20th of this month to enable the accused person get himself a defense counsel. The court might now rise.
So, Mecha, you're in your office.
No, how are you? You're welcome. What can I do for you?
You were not in court today.
Sorry, I was during a meeting and members came from far places.
Mecha, your brother's only son died in an accident. And today was the first hearing on the case. You could not find time to come just because I refused your advances.
No.
Right?
Try to understand me. I was chairing this important meeting. I said members came from far places.
Anyway, I just came to inform you that the case has been adjourned till the 20th of next month. Have a nice day.
People should learn how to carry their own cross. You have all the money at your disposal. You want to eat alone, so carry your cross.
What happened? You didn't eat your food.
Nothing happened.
No, something happened. Because that food has been there for some minutes now. It's getting cold. You're not even making any move like someone who's going to eat it.
Well, if it's getting cold, you go ahead and eat it.
Men. I don't understand men. Eh? I don't understand you. I cook now, you don't want to eat. But if I didn't cook now, it would be that if he's a bad wife. Osondo, I made that food for you. I put in so much energy into that food. And now you're not eating it. It's not fair if you don't eat it. Please, you have to eat it. It's not fair. Say, watch that. Eat it. Let it be your food. You think I'll kill myself?
So how was the court session today? Oh, the case was adjourned? Okay. Alright, yeah, I just called to find out how it went. Oh, no, you know my hands are tied. Look, I'm scared. I may decide to come there right now and your husband will see me and, you know, call me as a witness and they rope me in and... You know, we're at the hospital together. Hello? Oh, no. This is bad network.
No, waiting.
Network.
Which network? Aya, call her again. Go now. Osondo, you think you're smart? You saw me walk in and you caught the phone. You think you're smart? You might not him too much. Eh? Because I caught you today. Red-handed. I caught you talking to one of your girlfriends.
Talking to who?
One of your numerous girlfriends. You heard me.
You shut up. Every time you just be talking anyhow.
One thing I know is that one day, if you see my hand, one day, your sins will find you out. Wait. Is it because of this girl you called now that you've been so moody lately? Eh? She's the reason you've been behaving like a lost puppy. Okwaya? Hey, tell me. Is it that the present you promised her, you're here to fulfill it?
I'm not even wasting my time with it.
Look, if you like, walk away. I've got you today, and that's how I'll start putting my eye on the ground for you. I know your tricks. I've found out. And let me tell you something. I know you can hear me from that room. If you go to any girl's house and eat poison and die, but people should not blame you because everybody knows I am a good wife. They know my story. They know I'm very good. Nonsense. Womanizer. Found them one.
Barrister, now that he didn't go to court with a lawyer, what are we going to do? Listen, I want him jailed. I don't care how you do it. Whatever machinery you have to pull, go ahead, pull all the strings. But I want him jailed. Call it bribery, whatever, I don't care. Let him go in for it.
Pastor, I don't know what else to do. I've spoken to my husband several times, but he wouldn't listen to me. He's only bent on his decision. Whenever he takes a decision, he makes sure he stands on it. He refuses to heed to other people's advice. That is not a way of living at all.
My sister, you don't have to blame him. A man with clear conscience can go to the extreme.
Pastor. We still need to get a lawyer. Abi Beko?
I think so, you're right.
A lawyer? Oh, I don't know. I've spent every penny I have on this matter. I don't have money again in this house.
I know, don't worry yourself. The state can give us a lawyer in a situation like this. The Legal Aid Council can see to it.
So I'm not comfortable with that at all. I'm not. I'm already biased.
Listen to me, my dear. You have to be strong in faith. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but the Lord delivereth him from them all.
Amen.
The night endureth with weeping, but the morning is coming with joy. I know that your husband will come out victoriously.
Amen.
So don't worry yourself. I'll go and see him.
Eshe, sir. Eshe. Eshe, púpọ̀. Eshe, sir.
Bring up great
Pastor.
assistance. Thank you, Pastor.
Double.
Husband, I want you to work with me here. Let's reason together. There is no way you go to that court of law and come back. Yes, because they will find a way to rope you in. Considering that it was you and Enyoma that took Osita to the hospital when he was unconscious. Stay at home, oh.
Look, my conscience wouldn't let me. I mean, my best friend is out there suffering and I'm here not doing anything. Look, I just have to.
You're not going anywhere.
My friend, get out of my way.
I'm not allowing you to go anywhere. No, stay here. Wait. Has it not occurred to you that when Enyoma ends up in jail, as his witness, you'll be there by his side? And you will not make me a widow. No, I'm
nobody's going to make you a widow. Just
you
get out of the
to
way.
make me a widow. I say you're not going anywhere.
What is wrong with you?
I refuse. I refuse. You're not going there. Except if you have to kill me before you go. That's to be okay. Yes, go in. Go in. Nonsense. So you've actually allowed you to pass through this door. Let me make sure you're not following the back door.
Giving all evidence on ground against the accused, in addition to the fact that he has no mortal witness, it is obvious that the accused is ducking behind the person of God to buy cheap sympathy from this honorable court. Be that as it may, legality and morality are not the same anywhere in the world. On this ground, the accused person, Mr. Enyoma Ibe, is hereby sentenced to 5 years imprisonment. This is my judgment. Case closed.
In my heart is raining slow burning drops of pain, and my soul is hurting a truckload of shame. Give me, Lord, oh give me strength to face my fears. Give me, Lord, oh give me, give back my happiness. Save me, Jehovah, save my wretchedness. Save me, Jehovah, from this evil world. Save me, Jehovah, from this. Oh, the sky is burning, curse the stars to fall, and the rain is looming. Lord, come shelter me. Don't you pass me over, take away my pains. Don't you pass soul's hurting, a truckload of shame. Give me, Lord, oh give me strength to face my fears. Give me, Lord, oh give me, give back my happiness. Save me, Jehovah, save my wretchedness. Save me, Jehovah, from this evil world. Save me, Jehovah, from this loneliness. Save me, Jehovah, from this wicked evil world. Oh, the sky is burning, curse the stars to fall, and the rain is looming. Lord, come shelter me. Don't you pass me over, take away my pains. Don't you pass me over, Lord, come set me free. In my heart is raining slow burning drops of pain, and my soul is hurting, a truckload of shame. Give me, Lord, oh give me strength to face my fears. Give me, Lord, oh give me, give back my happiness. Save me, Jehovah, save my wretchedness. Save me.
Hey, Che, welcome.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Che.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You need to go Oji?
No. I don't need it.
Then let's move inside.
Uncle, I don't have time. I will soon be going, okay? I was about leaving when you came, so let's just stand here and talk. So, Uncle, I came to settle an issue with you. Actually, I heard that my husband's only plot of land was being encroached into, so I came to find out from you. Yes, because I went there and I saw some people building houses on it. So I went to the owner, the person who bought it, and he asked me to come and find out from you what happened. He said, okay, he told me that you sold the land to him. So, Uncle, did you sell my husband's land to anybody?
Nine. Guinea. Did you? Please shut up your mouth. Must you know everything? Evichen, that land does not actually belong to your husband.
Well, Uncle, my husband introduced me to every member of this family and almost everything that belongs to the family. So you can't tell me that that land does not belong to my husband.
Evichen, you of yesterday, you are reading history of my family for me. Go ahead, but let me tell you. Your husband's late father took that land from me because the land was given to me by our father. He took it away from me because he's the eldest. And while I was busy agitating to have my land, the next thing I heard was that he gave it to his eldest son, Enyoma. That is it.
Nine. I've never heard this version of the story.
Will you keep quiet, this woman? Must you hear everything? Take your time.
Do you know, Uncle, one thing about lies is that whenever an adult lies, his face resembles that of a child. Uncle, I will not ask you to desist from your act.
Ericha, I'm a titled man. You are insulting me? Let me tell you, you are going to face the kinsmen tomorrow.
Uncle, you know, barely 4 months since my husband, your nephew, went to prison. You hurriedly sold his land to land developers. Uncle, do you know that that was an act of wickedness? Do you know? Anyway, I've not come here to quarrel or make problems with you. I only came to confirm what I heard, and it's true. But Uncle, as I'm leaving you with this message. That whatsoever a man sows, that he shall reap. Take note of that.
Further insult. Let me tell you, you must face the kinsmen tomorrow. You must face the kinsmen tomorrow.
Everything will be fine. God is up there. I know he's watching everything. Your husband will be fine. And he will come out. You know,
Mama, but what he did was very wrong. What he did was very wrong. Anyway, there is no problem. My husband will surely come out.
Yes,
of course, he will still come out.
He will.
What he did was very wrong.
Hey, Uche. This one you're carrying bags. Are you traveling?
Yes, Mama.
I was going to visit you. Hey, you see, my daughter, I just want to wash off my hands. I am not in support of any sale of land. If not that you visited the other day to confront my husband, I wouldn't have known.
As for me, Mama, I'm not interested in quarreling over plots of land with anybody at all. You know, all I wanted is for people to know that an act of wickedness is going on in this village. Oh. And also to know that the perpetrator is your husband.
Hey, hello. My daughter, you see, you're my kind of person. Speak and let them hear. People,
Anyway, I went to visit my husband the other day in the cell, and he told me not to quarrel with anybody over issues like this. Told me not to quarrel with anybody. I should just stay calm. That is what I'm doing.
Man, don't worry, my daughter. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. All I want you to know is that Akamu, Obamu, Adiria, I am not a party to any sale of land. I'm not in support.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you very much. Oh, Mama, I'll be going now, okay?
Thank you very much.
Let me meet up.
Just take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Take care.
God bless you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Interesting.
Hey, why are you shouting like this? What's wrong?
Where is your wife?
My wife? My wife, she went out. Yeah, she went to see her sister. What's the problem?
Yeah. Hey, was that what she told you? That she went to see her sister?
Yeah?
Yeah. Joe, come, let me take you to where her sister is.
Take me to where my wife... I just told you my wife went to see her sister. What do you mean?
Okay. There's no problem, but come, let me take you there so that you will see your wife in action. Nisi. Hey!
My wife in action?
Let us go. Don't worry. Hey,
Alright, let me just close this.
Come and open the door for me.
No, we won't be going in my car. It's faulty.
I wonder why you have not changed this car till now, eh? This Tokumbo, you should buy better car.
You have a car. Oh,
I better go, Joe. Let me show you what I want to show you. Eh? I have not seen this one before. I have not.
Listen, by the time I'm through with you, you would see a new you.
Hey!
I believe you. I believe
Ifoma, what is your problem, young man? Don't mind this small boy, come!
Look, that's my husband.
Don't mind that.
Leave me alone.
You are through with my money. My friend! She's with my money. Hey!
Now listen to me. I don't want to see you in my house again. Can you hear me? I don't even want to see you on this street again. Because if I do, I'll kill you. Now get out. I said get out. Get out of my house. No. Get out.
Who do I have in my house? Pastor Ken.
How are you?
Pastor Ken, you're welcome. Good day, sir.
Please switch on the TV. There's an announcement that will interest you.
Hey.
You like it so much.
I pray so.
Is that empty?
Yes, it's empty.
Maybe they are through with the news. Sit down, sit down.
Okay. So, what is it all about?
Yes, there was an announcement that the state new chief judge has granted pardon to 20 prisoners in our state. I think the prison where your husband is being held was included.
Oh my God. Pastor, are you serious?
Oh my God. Pastor, are you sure?
Yes, it was actually my wife that told me about it. And that's why I decided to come and let you know. We just pray that it's true.
Oh, thank you, Jesus. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. I claim it. It shall come to pass in the name of Jesus. Yes, Lord.
And the Lord will do it. It must be true in the name of Jesus.
Yes, who is that? Wait, I'm coming.
Hallelujah. I knew God was going to do something. You were sentenced for 5 years, but you ended up coming out after 22 months. I know that God knows everything before it happens.
Well, Pastor, all I can say is that I'm happy God has vindicated me. I mean, I did nothing wrong. I only helped an accident victim. That's all.
Brother Inyoma, you see, our Lord Jesus came on earth to redeem mankind, but he ended up being crucified. You see, the Bible says that if Christ suffered all these, more or less you and I. So all we have to do is to thank God because you are out from there.
Benny.
Thank God.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
When the Bible talked about the virtuous woman, it was as if your poetry was being written. I so appreciate you.
So what did I do that is so unusual?
A lot. Yes, I mean, I know lots of women would have run away if their husbands fell into trouble like I did. But you never did such.
Thanks for listening.
You're welcome. But you see, my major question is this today. Why? Why did Osondo come in?
I don't know. Since you were arrested and jailed, Osondo never came to see me.
Neither did he even come to see me in jail. I mean, it's so surprising. This is somebody who knew everything. Somebody who took Osita with me to the hospital. He didn't even come to court to bear me witness. I mean, that's just the world for you. When you fall into trouble and you're in a tight corner, trust me, friends will run away. And my uncles, what did they do? just because I refused accepting what I didn't do. They just left me there in jail.
No, you have to forget about that now, okay? It's all in the past. You're a man now. You have to be a man.
You know what? I can never stop doing good. Because it's my nature. And if doing good will get me to jail again, so be it. I love you.
Yeah, who is that? I'm coming. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah. Please, I'm asking about Inyoma.
He's inside. Just sit down, let me come.
Okay, thank you.
Hey!
Hey! Oh, my bro, man. Good to see you. Look at you.
Man, sit down, man. Look at you. Are you back?
Man, I'm cool. You can see that.
Oh my God. I mean, you're so changed, believe you.
Wow. You know, I actually came to the country 2 days ago, Inyoma, and I thought you were the first person I should see.
Mike, listen. All that is in the past now, okay?
Also, I will give God glory. It's cool, man. It's cool. I also heard you're married.
Of course, I am married.
Yes.
Yeah. Hold on, let me call her. Darling. Honey?
Yes, baby.
Please, can you come?
All right.
Yes, love. Yeah, darling, this is my long lost friend. Yes, he left me here, went to Europe, and he's back. His name is Mike. Yeah. Mike, my wife.
Hello, madam.
Hey.
It's a pleasure meeting you.
Mine too. You're welcome.
Please sit down. Yeah.
Wow, man.
Mike,
You
cool.
guys are great, man.
Thank you. Yeah.
You know what, madam? Your husband is such a nice person. I'm a very special guy. And this guy is so special. His kindness has no measure.
Oh, okay. All right. Here you go blowing my trumpet again. Darling, listen, we need to get this our big August visitor something, okay? Yes. All right, that would be good. Okay.
Come in.
Mike, go!
Hey, my big bro.
Hey, darling.
Yes, Dad.
Darling, go. Baby, listen. This is a check for 4 million naira. 4 million naira. Oh my God. Just look at it. My friend, Mike. Yes. You know, I had forgotten about it. I had forgotten completely. When he was traveling, he borrowed money from me. 500,000 naira. I gave him. I had forgotten about this money. And he promised me he was going to give me the money when he got into Europe, which he never did. Now, on coming back, on learning about my problems, he gave me this check. As compensation for delay in payments. Can you imagine? 4 million naira. Baby, it's not over. Hold on. Now, he said he will be giving on credit from Europe. From Europe, baby. I'm so happy, baby. I'm so happy. Darling, you know what? I know we've got one bottle of wine in the freezer, okay? You just go bring it, okay? Bring it. Let's celebrate
I
this.
also made a favorite dish for you.
For real?
Yes,
Baby, why don't you just go? Baby, come on, let's check it out. Come on.
Let me give it.
No, baby, just bounce, okay?
Who? I know you don't want to see me now, but just grant me audience.
Listen, the only audience I can grant you is when you get that door and leave, okay? Because if you don't, you wouldn't like what will happen to you in the next few minutes.
Baby, please take it easy, okay? This is not the way to go about this. We can still resolve this issue.
Resolution my foot. Listen, if you know this man, tell him to leave this house this minute. Or you want to host him. You want to host him, right? Go ahead, host him.
Listen, we can...
Alessandro, please, you have to leave now, okay? You can see the atmosphere is not conducive for drugs. I'll talk to him.
All right, please do.
I wouldn't really want us to be in a hurry. Since my husband died, you've been of immense help to me. And I want our relationship to remain at that.
Since you said so, I can wait. No problem. I can wait. Only that what is worth doing is worth doing fast.
You didn't get it.
Tell
me. The saying goes this way. Anything that is worth doing at all is worth doing well.
To me, they are all the same.
Who is this man? Who is this man?
Is that the new way of saying hello?
Hello? Hello to whom? To this idiot? Are you out of your senses? Who is this man looking like the agent of a deity?
Excuse me, Grace. I have to leave. The insolence is getting unbearable. I don't think this non-entity has the gut to open his dirty gutters on me.
What? Dirty what? Wow, me, dirty. Get us from here.
Grace, excuse me.
Move!
Measure.
Measure what? What are you measuring? What are you measuring?
I'm so sorry for the insolence. So
But who is
sorry.
it?
My late husband's brother. That's how he behaves. He's so shameless. I'm sorry.
I don't have anything to say now. See you later.
Merchant, what was that show for?
Which show? Who is doing show with you?
You think you can come into my house and embarrass everybody you see?
I can come into this house without authority.
Don't you ever do that again.
Let me see that man again here.
Try and understand me.
Grace, understand what?
Wait a minute. Aniago, I don't think you're getting the point here. I never accepted to marry you, nor anybody else. I'm surprised you're making heavy weather of this. I have apologized for the embarrassment, haven't I?
Say the apology, who cares? Grace! Grace! Come right back here.
For your information, in social circle, your likes call me madam. So don't shout my name like you were my mother name too. Excuse me.
Baby, on the line. Look, baby, you have to stop this. At least you listen to him. He's your friend, for Christ's sake.
Hey, Uche. Can I have my food, please?
Yes? How can I help you? I can't remember inviting you to this office today.
Well, once in a while, I can invite myself.
Says who? Meche, do you think you can frighten me? Or do you think I'm one of those women who you could toss around all in the name of custom and tradition?
So, where's my share of the money?
What money?
Grace, don't think I'm a small boy. I am not a fool. I know about the amount of money your son was carrying on the day of the accident when he died. So don't be surprised how I got to know.
Meche, it is true that my son was supposed to transfer some money into the account of our foreign business partners. But you don't expect me to talk about the money instead of the death of my son. Moreover, no account of the money was given neither by the police nor by the killer.
So, who took the money?
I don't know and I don't want to know.
Grace. Don't expect to enjoy alone the proceeds of the sweat of all of us. Don't.
Meche, who are they all of us?
Go and get that money where you kept it, wherever you kept it. Or I tell you eventually how I contributed to the education of your late husband. Go get the money.
Get out of the way! This is my little brother's house. Get out!
You cannot enter here now.
You think I'm afraid of your size? Get out, please. Don't involve yourself. This is family matter. Please.
Madam is not home. And who do you think you want to go in there and see?
What are you talking about? I can go in there and take some cold water. It's my little brother's house. Superior!
Oh, fall this man hand down. Sharp. Carry this man. Carry this man.
You have to calm down, okay? Please, just calm down. I mean, what has happened has happened. Getting angry forever is not going to solve this problem, and you know it. Well, I think also he has a point.
What points does he have? No, tell me, what points does he have? You're with a friend, he gets accused of murder, you run away, he gets jailed for 22 months in jail you never visited, 22 months you never visited his wife, and yet he sits here and calls himself best friend.
Enyoma, you know the way people talk. I mean, if I had visited your wife, people will start saying that I was dating my friend's wife while he was in prison.
Osondo.
It's not as easy as you think.
Oh, I see.
No, what are you saying? Mike, what are you talking about? What are you saying? Why didn't he come to court to be my witness? Tell me. Because he knows everything. He knows I was accused wrongly. He knows I didn't kill anybody. This man here knows...
Hey, Yoma, please. Just take it easy. Calm down, okay? Take it easy. Man, you're a man, okay? Just take it easy. I mean, what has happened has happened. Find a place in your heart to forgive and forget. Please. All right? You and Oswaldo can still be friends again. If for nothing to show the enemy that they can't succeed in your life, please, just let it go. Please. Please, please, bro.
All I'll tell you is this. Every day comes with a lesson. Osondu, each day comes with a lesson. I forgive you.
Man, thanks, man. So, I'm delighted. So why don't you guys shake hands? Man, you guys should shake hands just like old times, man. Bro, man, do it. Come on. Whoa, man. I can see you. It's good. So why don't you just toast to this reunion, okay? Waiter, please. We have to toast to this reunion. This is good, man. Cool. You're cool. Thanks, man. Thanks. Waiter! Champagne, please. Get us some champagne, please.
Oh, what are you doing?
Honey.
Yes, baby.
You've not said anything about our discussion this morning.
What did we discuss? Remind me.
My business, of course. I told you I need to rent a new shop. I need you to stock it up for me. You know, I lost the other one because I couldn't pay for it.
Okay. You know what? Why don't you just go cost everything and remind me later, huh? Yes, baby.
Okay. And one more thing.
Baby, what is it now? Come on, you know a man and soccer. You know your husband and soccer. Come on, baby.
First of all now.
Yes, baby. Come on.
I lost my period.
Baby, listen.
And I think I'm pregnant.
Darling, look. This is our country playing, okay? Look, I'm not in the mood for jokes, please. You better not be joking right now.
I know, and I'm not joking. This is for real.
Okay, pregnant.
I'm pregnant.
You're really pregnant?
Yes, I am. I'm pregnant.
Come here. Are you serious? You're pregnant?
I'm serious.
Baby,
I'm
come,
pregnant.
sit down. First thing tomorrow, okay? We'll go to the hospital. We'll run a test, okay? I just thank God he's broken this pregnant.
I'm so happy.
Are you serious? Like I'm going to be a dad?
Yes, of course.
Madam, you're recovering very fast. I thank God the bullet did not hit you on a vital area.
Thank God.
Excuse me, madam.
So this is true. Did you say Meche did this to you? What kind of madness was that? Huh? How do you feel now?
Better.
And where is he?
He is in detention at the police station.
That serves him right. Ndonda.
Please, I want to lie down.
Easy. Ndonda. Meche.
You stopped me from going to where I wanted to go. So what's up with the urgency?
Yeah, I actually remembered something.
Wait. Thank you, that's okay. Huh? Thank you.
Huh?
In your bag?
My bag.
Bag. Okay.
What is it? Where are you going now? Okay, will anybody follow me?
Let's step out, let me check.
And what was that?
Belongs to Osita. Remember the dead guy? The accident victim?
So you mean this has been in my car all the time I was in prison?
No, obviously. Yeah, it actually skipped my mind. Remember that day when we helped him? You know, the day that thing happened? Yeah, he was muttering some words. I think he talked about this. So I went back to his car and I picked it up, but you know, in that confused state, I just put it under the seat and I just forgot.
Well, his documents could be in there. We just have to return this back to his mother.
What? Return it to who?
The mother.
The same woman that jailed you for doing nothing. Huh?
Listen, come on, man. Look, it's his bag. That's his mother, okay?
Look, you took that guy to the hospital and the mom jailed you. Alright? So what do you think will happen if you take this to her? Besides, I think we should just open it and see what's in it. What do you think?
Alright.
I don't think it will hurt if we just find out what's in it.
I told him I was going to give his mother this bag with the money in it, since her son Osita is late now.
So how much is it?
$300,000.
Honey, have I ever insulted you before?
No.
Have I ever opened this my mouth to tell you nonsense?
No.
Well, if you take this money out of this house, I will curse you. Yes, I know I'm a Christian, but I will tell you unimaginable things if you behave like a baby in this matter.
Yuji, you can change because of money? Oh God, now I know money has a spirit. It can possess even the holiest of men. Yuji, come on.
Wait, just hold on. So you mean if I leave you, you take this money back to the same people who imprisoned you because of an offense you did not commit? Huh?
Come on.
Well, try it and you will see the other side of it.
You know what I'll say to this? Look, I'm so surprised that you of all people can change because of money. You know, money is not only the root of all evils, it's the branch, it's the trunk, it's even the leaf. What is money, AUJ? Come on.
I've told him my mind and I mean it. If Inyoma, your friend, falls into trouble again, I'll have no other option but to leave him.
Leave him?
Yes.
Leave your husband? Nah, that's not fair. You wouldn't do that. You see, Enyoma is a very good friend, right? And I know him so well, he will never change. I've told him a couple of times that kindness doesn't work anymore. It doesn't work in this country, it doesn't work outside this country, but he'll never listen to me. Anyway, I've given him the money, so let him do anything he wants with it.
But, come on, Sunday.
Yeah.
How come you never told me about the portfolio all this while?
Oh, well, I don't know. I guess I forgot. Yeah, maybe it just skipped my mind. I actually remembered after I made up with Enyoma.
I don't know what to do now. What do I do?
Well, if you ask me, I would say you go home and take it easy with your husband. Yes, your husband is a very strict person morally, so you need to take it easy with him. Besides, he needs you right now.
Okay. Oh, thank you, Sunday. Thank you. I have got to be on my way now.
Okay. All right, let me see you off then.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, the sky is burning. Curse the stars to fall. And the rain is looming. Lord, come shelter me. Don't you pass me over. Take away my pains. Don't you pass me over. Lord, come set me free. In my heart is raining slow burning drops of pain, and my soul is hurt.
Adam,
sir,
we know how greedy and stupid nature can be, but we cannot throw away an infant child with the bad water. Please, again, Adoma, those policemen know you very well. If you can authorize, they will release him on one ground.
On what ground, sir? You want me to authorize the release of a man who came here to kill me? No way.
Please. When I went to the station, he told me that your boys tried to kill him. And that is why he went for his gun.
Oh, Meche is such a pathetic liar. Okay, Nai, why would he come to my house with a gun in the first place?
Yes, that's your point.
Meche is just angry because I have refused to marry him. That's all.
You don't mean it?
That was why he started asking for the money that was lost when my son had the accident.
Oh, please. Sorry for all that. What do we do now?
Please, Manyama, please. We shall not allow him to die in police detention. Because he's still your late husband's brother.
Adade Oremma. Ugo nwai. Omobidia. Biko. Let him be released so that his blood will not be on your head.
No, but he didn't think of that when he came here to shoot me.
Please, he said it was accidental discharge. Please.
Hey. Oh, Meche. That man is a liar. You don't know how wicked that your kingsman is. I can tell better. Just let him be there for some time.
And that door, Why no? Why in German? Please. Akalala. Please, let him not die in detention. Please. They will be with a nearly because.
You must have to listen to me. You're going nowhere. Did you hear me?
Look, I've not told you I'm going anywhere, okay? I didn't say I'm going to that place with the money, all right? I'm just going to the lady's house to tell her that I picked up her late son's money at the accident scene. Simple.
Then after that, what happens? You give her the money?
Well, her reaction will determine what I'll do next.
Can I ask you one question?
Go ahead.
The last time you went to prison, it was this same act of your kindness, and that same woman was involved in sending you to...
Hey. You know what you just said right now wasn't actually a question, alright? Now, I will say this emphatically, I cannot afford to keep money I didn't labor for, alright? I've tried so hard to make you understand things, but no, you wouldn't. Now, I'm telling you this, I will do what I deem fit. Do you understand me? Thank you.
He must be made to sign the undertaking according to the wish of Madame. Mind you, if anything happens to her henceforth, Meche will be held responsible. This is because he threatened to deal with her and followed it up with a gunshot.
Which was accidental.
Which one was accidental? What of all his threats were they accidental? Why did he go to the woman's house in the first place with a gun?
Ophelia, stop this argument and let us proceed. Do you think that I am happy that Meche's grade brought me here?
Okay. This you. He will sign the undertaking.
Good.
How do we proceed?
Go to the office of the IPO. Tell him I sent you. He will help you with all the papers.
Don't you pass me over. Take away my pains. Don't you pass me over. Lord, come set me free. In my heart is raining slow burning drops of pain, and my soul is hurting a truckload of shame. Give me, Lord, oh give me strength to face my fears. Give me, Lord, oh give me, keep back my happiness. Save me, Jehovah, save my wretchedness. Save me, Jehovah.
Yes. Who are you?
I'm here to see Madame, please.
Which madam?
Madame Grace.
And who are you?
My name is Enyoma. Look, I have a message to deliver to her, which is between me and her. Kindly go in and tell her that the man she sent to jail 3 years ago wants to see her, please.
And why should I tell her like that? And what business do you have with my madame?
Like I said, I have a message for her. Kindly go in, tell her the man she sent to jail 3 years ago is here to see her.
Okay, wait here.
Madam.
Yes?
Enyoma is at Dikeh to see you, man.
Who?
Enyoma.
Why? What does he want to see me for?
He said it's between the both of you, man.
Between the both? Tell him I do not want to see him. Please chase him out of this compound. Let me do it myself.
No, madam, no. You have not fully recovered. Don't worry, I will go out and I will send him away.
Check your properties. Is it complete?
They are complete.
If you like next time, carry gun, go fight woman. If you try it again, like kiri,
you could end up.
Dikeh, please, I thank you very much for coming to bail me.
Major, I don't know what to tell you yet. You are as useless as overnight fufu. In fact, overnight fufu is even more useful than you are. Uluku.
What is it? You came here to sympathize with me. What? It's not a case of Tofiakwa. No. It's not proper, please.
Major, as old as you are still doing childish things. You thought you could marry your late brother's wife by force.
Which by force? I followed due process.
What of the money you were forcing her to provide? Is it your own? Why do you believe in using force to achieve everything?
Please, where is Grace? Was she in the hospital? No, I thought you said my wife went to Grace's house to bring the car.
Yes, maybe she drove out in the car.
Okay. It's nothing new. A woman can be so busy somewhere, choosing a new hairstyle, while her husband is in a police station. Call her on phone.
Hello? Where are you? I came back from the police. That I can go to hell?
Did she say you can go to hell
and burn to ashes?
Who? Why should you go to hell and burn to ashes? What is wrong with that woman?
Just hold on.
Stand well. He is very fond of his gun. He may decide to come out with it.
The police have taken the gun. Which woman can tolerate such a crime?
Look at the note she dropped. Just look at it. Where has she gone with my children?
I cannot take it anymore. I'm gone for good. Anytime you are back, do not bother looking for me because you will never see me again. Very sure you are rich.
She took all the money I left in the house. Where has she gone with my children?
You see what you got for yourself? You see what you got for yourself?
Will I be the one to start looking for a runaway wife?
Who is doing this to me?
Done my best.
Who? Who is doing this to me? Hey!
You are doing this thing to yourself. You are doing it to yourself.
Right. By the time we took him to his house, his wife had run away with the children, leaving a well-deserved farewell note.
Same right.
I'm sure you're all right now. If Meche start disturbing you again, don't hesitate to let me know.
I've banned him from coming to this house. Anytime he's seen here, it's his corpse that they will take away.
So, by this time tomorrow, we should be in the village.
Sure.
Okay.
One more thing. You should try as much as possible to keep the name of your late husband running. You are an adult, and you know what I mean.
Are you talking about remarrying?
Even if it's not exactly that.
You see, you can obtain a baby from someone and keep him in your house to maintain your husband's name.
Obtain? You people are talking as if it's a certificate I'm going to obtain. Even if it's a certificate, one has to read before obtaining it.
Anyhow you want it. All I know is that you are a beautiful woman. And there are many young men outside who can do it. I'm not laughing, no. You stop laughing, please.
Okay. I've heard you people. Whenever I am ready to remarry, I will let you know.
This man, Shebi, I tell you not to come here again.
Look, my brother, I don't want trouble, please. All I just want to do is see Madam Grace and deliver a message to her, that's all.
Which madam?
Madam Grace, come on.
You? What? What is this?
What's the meaning of this?
Hello?
What's this?
Hello? DPO.
You will soon know the meaning.
Please send your boys to my house right away. Somebody is here to kill me.
What?
Send them right away.
My friend, shut up. Madam, what's this now? Are we going to go through this phase again?
I can't believe you.
Shut up!
Yes, hello. Yeah, each on the line. Yes. Which police station is that though? Okay. I will be there, Yeah, thank you. What have I done to you? What have I done to you? Why do you want to kill me in this house? I told him, I want him not to go. Oh God, please help me. You have to save me.
Your BP shot up. What were you thinking?
After that gunshot, anything she saw frightened her. At the slightest provocation, she would start shouting and shaking.
I see. Madam, you should learn how to hold your emotions. And the truth is that you are now fragile. Do you still take your drugs?
Yes, I do.
Good. So all you need to do is to take some rest and avoid any form of incitement. Okay?
Adan, what did I hear? That our enemies attacked you?
What is he doing here? Who opened the gate for him? Let this man to go!
Take this man out from here. Take him out of here.
Just get out!
Oh, yeah, move. Take him out. Come on, move.
It's okay. You don't need to shout. Calm down, just relax. Just relax yourself.
Mother, I'm sorry.
You don't have to shout.
How did you expect me to sit back there praying? I quickly took that decision to start coming. You know what happened the other time? I would not like it to happen again. I was unable to come then because of my illness. You know how it happened. My son, learn to shade off those things you used to do before. If they don't fetch you any pay, you are now a full-grown man with a wife.
Mama, so your daughter went running to you, acting as if there was a serious problem here.
Hey. So going to police station to smell iron again is not a serious problem to you? I don't want anything to happen to my daughter. I don't know your plans.
Oh, Mama, it's okay. We shall talk about that later, okay? It's okay.
Yes, what are you doing here? I mean, how did you gain access into this place? Because I do recognize you. You're one of Madame Grace's employees, right? So how may I help you? Tell me.
Actually,
how did you get in here, first of all?
I checked downstairs. I didn't see anybody. I now decided to come upstairs.
So how may I help you?
Okay. The fact is that my madam said I should come and apologize on her behalf.
Sorry indeed.
The other day, you and your friend were embarrassed in her office. She said you should please give us a date when she will come for a discussion.
So what kind of discussion is that?
Madam, she now understands that her husband really meant no harm, especially regarding the missing money.
So she now wants to visit me because of money, isn't it?
No, not because of the money, but the torment she made you go through. She says she is very, very sorry.
Well, Mr. Man, I think you should start going, okay? We'll think about that later.
You know, I do recall very, very well. You were one of those people chasing me out of that compound. Am I wrong?
No, you are never wrong. But I'm sorry too. I was just obeying others. I'm sorry.
Well, you have to leave.
Sadly.
Just like that?
Yes, just like that.
Okay. Good night, sir. Madam, good night.
Well, the truth is that she wants to see me because of the money.
No.
No. Seriously, now I need... I'm not really comfortable with him knowing this place, okay? So I need everybody to be very security vigilant. Please, lock all the doors at all times. Please. Please. Do you know that woman actually sent somebody to come get the money stylishly from me?
Really?
Of course.
They also sent someone here to apologize. So, what do we do now? Wait. You're starting to sound like you don't want to give them the money again.
Excuse me. To prove a point, I'm going to give the woman her money. That's why I came here to discuss this with you. When do we go?
We?
Yes.
Me and you?
Of course.
Ha. Yeah, I'm not going. I'm not going.
What is this? Are you afraid?
Yes, I'm afraid. What's your problem? Every time you be taking me to places of trouble. Huh? I'm not going. I just told you I'm not going. I've given you the money. Do anything you want to do with it.
Well, if you say you're not going, I am going to that woman's house to give her the money.
You want to go to her house?
Of course.
Inyoma, what's wrong with you now? Huh? Can't you ever stay out of trouble? She's already looking for you. Wait for her to come to your place, then you give her the money.
I think I hate your advice.
I won't be part of it, though. I've told you.
Hey, babe.
So, what happened?
Yes, thank you. Yeah.
So, did you see her?
Well, they wouldn't allow me to see her as usual.
Who?
Her boys, of course.
So, well, if you ask me, I would say you should go and invest that money. Because I don't see why God should be offering you money on a platter of gold and you're rejecting it.
Are you listening to yourself?
Sure.
Well, I am going to see that woman, so that means I have to go there again.
What did I hear you say?
No, you heard me.
What did you just say? Oh my God. Look, Inyoma, whoever that did this to you will know no peace in his life. My God in heaven will never allow that person to go scot-free.
Are you truly listening to yourself? No, seriously, are you truly listening to yourself? Do you know what you're asking me to do? Whatever happened to your morals?
Well, let me ask you something. Ever since you came out of prison, Have you bothered to go and see that your uncle who sold your land without your consent? Have you ever done that? Or didn't I tell you that he sold your land? Or didn't I? Sorry for me. Sorry.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I know the frown on your face is because of my presence here. They came to my house and asked me to bring them here because of the circumstances leading to the exit of the house girl. Since she left, the mother never cared to ask about the situation.
Good. Now that you have brought them, can you just leave my house now?
Please,
ma'am. Whatever the problem is, just allow me.
No. The only reason for me to give you audience is that he leaves.
Okay. I leave. Just pocket your insult. I'm leaving.
So, Ekutosi, what brought you to my house? Because I sent you out of this house under a condition I still consider irreversible.
Ma, please. I remember when my daughter was living with you, there was no problem until she got pregnant.
Yes. And because of that illegitimate pregnancy, I sent her out. Because I do not breed harlots here.
Yes. But please, ma, I would like you to listen to our story so that you know why we are here. And Ekutosi will be in a better place to tell the story. Please.
Please, ma. This child belongs to Brother Osi. I could not tell you because I promised him I was going to keep the secret.
Please don't run. Please. Take my son to my mother. Let him occupy my space there. Take my son to my mother. Do it now. Now. And don't delay.
Mama! Ekutosi, what is it? Why are you shouting? I saw him, he came again.
Who was that?
Mama, have I not told you that Osita's ghost has been disturbing me? He was standing beside me and my baby, telling me to return the baby to the mother.
So he now comes in daytime? After the way that woman treated you? No. I don't want this baby to be taken to her. It can't happen. Hey.
I saw him again. He came to the river again. Mama, how is it that came to the river? What is it? He came to the river asking me to take his son back to the mother. Mama, let's take this son back to the mother. I'm tired of this now. Mama, please.
Hello? Biamokem, hello, who are you?
I am Osita. The one whose son you're holding. Take my son back to my mother. Take him back. Do it. Yeah. Do it.
Mama! Mama! Mama, what is it now, Mama? Mama! Mama!
But now that brother Osi is dead, his ghost continues to appear to me. He has been telling me to take his son back to his mother. Please, Ma.
Please. He is your son. Ekutos. Why are you doing this? Ekutos, who sent you to me?
I'm not lying. I am not lying. I'm not lying.
Where are you running to?
So good evening.
Ekutos, what are my son's shoes doing in here? And this rumpled bed? Ekutos, I hope you know that I'm not a small girl. I hope you know that.
Auntie, I don't understand. When Osi gave me his shoes to shine for him, I wanted to dress my bed, so I moved towards with the shoes.
Ekutosi. 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 Did you listen to yourself? Did you hear yourself? I do not understand your behavior these days. I don't know what you're up to. But whatever it turns out to be, I promise you, you will be the one to regret it. Take my son's shoes away from here. Idiot. Idiot. Ekutos. Ekutos.
Auntie, good morning. Good evening. Auntie, good evening, ma. Good evening.
Hey, Merry Christmas. Why were you sleeping instead of washing these clothes?
Auntie, it's just that I'm having malaria. My tongue is bitter. My body is...
Your body is skinny, doctor. Your body is skinny. Finish washing this thing and let's go and see a doctor. I'm really interested in this kind of your malaria. I've been watching you. You've been spitting, sleeping instead of walking. Finish washing. We are going to see a doctor.
And they've taken some tablets.
No. This kind of your malaria is not the kind of malaria for tablets. It's the kind of malaria that you see a doctor for. Finish washing. Let's go and see the doctor. I'm watching you.
Madam.
Yes, doctor.
The result of the test shows that she is 7 weeks pregnant.
Pick your things and move. Move away from my house. Pick your things now or heavenly thunder will kill you. Get out. Give me. Move. I said move. Move away. Don't touch me. Come on, leave me alone. Please, Auntie. Let me. Please, now. Please, Auntie. Get away from my house. I said move. I don't have anywhere to go to, please, Auntie. My mom is in labor. She cannot take care of me and my younger ones, please. So I am the one that should take care of a pregnant woman. Yeah? Move away from my house. Get out. Move your things and leave. I said leave. Sorry for everything that happened in the past. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, ma. I know it wasn't your fault. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you. Anyway.
Yes, ma'am.
Do me a favor. Stay with us. Stay here with us. I need you. And your son needs you. Please. I cannot take care of him all by myself. I need you. I need you to help me. Please.
Please.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Whenever you see any man you love, you can marry him. I just want you to be a daughter to me. Please. Thank you. Thank you so much. What is his name?
His name is Good Luck.
Good Luck. I pray one day he becomes the president of this country. Thank you. Thank you.
Give me, Lord, oh give me strength to face
okay? So, no problem, man. Just take care of you, okay?
It's well, yeah. It's well. Bye-bye. Oh, hey.
Save my wretchedness. Save me, Jehovah, from this evil world. Save me, Jehovah.
Thank you. Take your drugs,
From
okay?
this lonely
Very gently, oh.
Well.
Save me, Jehovah, from this wicked evil world.
Hello, Chukuna Fanona. Hello.
Hey, okay.
This is why you are running and panting like an antelope. Is anything the matter?
Hey, Fomo.
What is it?
Hello. Enyoma.
Enyoma, is he dead?
Enyoma is out of prison.
Hey.
My brother's son is even shining. See him so refreshed.
Hey,
faster him and I ran away from my house.
Where did you see him? I thought they said that he was sentenced to life imprisonment.
He is back. I saw him. He's in my house with the wife in a very big car.
So what do we do now that we have sold the part of land that belongs to him?
Hello, you see an Achamoko. That's why I came here. It's not a very small matter. It's a very big matter. It's a big case.
Hi. Nah. My head is rioting.
Hello, think.
Don't worry. We have generated a lie. We have to maintain it. Yes, that is the only thing we can do now. You know, there is a way you will maintain a lie. After some time, it will look like the truth. That is what we are going to do.
Hello, Isia. It's not true. Isia, I don't even have any moral justification to face this boy. I can't face him. No courage. Where do I go from here, hello?
You know what? I will think about this. We must come out with a solution. And fast.
Before then, get me a cup of water, please, and taste it.
Hey!
Oh, yes, Kwamula. Hey! Almost Diego.
Nai, why are you looking around?
A car came here today. I can see the marks of the tires everywhere.
Nani, Inyoma and the wife were here. He's out of prison. Oh,
why are you telling me all these things? You want me to start dancing because Inyoma is out of prison?
Oh. Nai, why are you sounding like this? Huh. I just told you that Inyoma and the wife were here and you are shouting. Oh, if you must know, they've gone to the family house.
I will go and see them later now. Is there any other thing?
Nai, you need to see him. Hey! He has added so much flesh. Hey! Chineke!
If he likes, let him add pot belly or a degree pump. It doesn't concern me. That's why you are doing like this. And you must add weight. If there is any food in this house, you can give me food to eat.
You still haven't answered my question.
See, Enyama, it was Elo who suggested that we sell that land to see what we could do to bring you out of the prison. Though not a bad idea at all. After all, your land is my land.
Is that so?
Yes.
My land is your land.
We are the same family. And you see, your father is just a custodian.
Now I warn you, stay away from that land, else you'll be talking with my lawyers, all right? Because I'm handing over that land to the Forestry Commission on lease.
What did you just say?
You heard me.
You want to bring forestry people into that place?
Yes, yes, of course. And whatever
what?
I do with that land is my business and not yours. Do you understand me?
No. Enyama, you are dividing that land into two. You are sharing it into two. Between you and my son Obina.
Gets into that land, he will be talking in a different tongue, and that will be from the police station.
Hey.
I've told my lawyers to take siege, so I warn you and your son, back off. Do you understand me? Back off.
Enyama, where are you going to? This is a family meeting, no? You are my junior. I'm your uncle. Enyama, come back here. Don't walk out on me. Hey.
Nine. Have you seen what wickedness can translate to? Have you seen it? So tell me, when my son wants to build a house in the future, where will he do that? In the air? My God, I can't tell why certain people get foolish at old age.
And who are the certain people?
You are a disappointment. That's what you are. A big disappointment.
Go away from here before I do what I've never done in my life.
Do what?
Leave my hand on you now.
Me? Yes. You thought you could take your man for a ride? Yes. You thought you could do that? Look at the way he dealt with you. If you think you're man enough, go and drive the land with him. Go and drive the land.
Running away. Go and drag the land. Eh? It's only where I am that you have strength. Only where I am that you have strength. Go and drag the land within you. Go and drag. No, go and drag land.
Yes, Mama. Well, I actually brought you here to show you my house.
Eh?
Yes.
House?
Yes, this is my house. I just bought it.
Our house? Yeah! My son.
Yes, Mama. But still, I kept it a secret from Eyuche. Yes, so Mama, I brought you here to show you her room so that you can help me pack her stuff while I'm at the hospital because I'm bringing her and baby here, all right? Help me pack her stuff, bring them here.
And you think now a landlady? Eh?
Hey. Let me show you your room as well. Okay, let me show you your room.
Eh?
Baba.
It's so amazing.
While we were taking your late son into my car, he whispered to my friend saying he had money in his own car, that we should go get it. We then responded.
And you kept the money all these years?
I decided I was going to give you the money to prove my innocence. This is your son we're talking about here. And you're his mother. So you deserve to have all of it.
It's so difficult to see somebody like you. I'm sorry for the humiliation I caused you. I'm very sorry. Forgive me, please. As for the money, I want you to keep half of it. I want you to take $150,000 and give me $150. Please take it. please.
Baby, what is wrong? Why are you sitting here all alone?
You know what? I've made up my mind. I'm not going to touch that woman's money. I'm going to call her to come and take all of it.
You can't do that. I thought we agreed that you take part of the money and return the rest to her.
Well, I'm reversing that agreement now. I don't want to touch her son's money. I mean, how much can they pay me for all the suffering in jail? Tell me.
What is wrong with you, Nyoma? What is wrong with you? Eh? Why did you marry me in the first place? Why didn't you become a reverend father? Eh? Reverend Father Nyoma.
You can call me anything you like. You can rant all you want. But my mind is so made up.
You can't do this. You can't take all the money to her. Eh? Are you under a spell or something?
Watch me. Yes, madam, this is Nyoma.
What is wrong with you? I'm sorry, I can't allow you to do this. I won't.
What are you saying? You were erroneously jailed for an offense related to that money. Now I am willing to give you half of it. Why are you refusing? Huh? Come and see a man rejecting money. Nyoma, are you well at all?
Nyoma, it is better you collect that money and stop being stubborn. Save me all this stress.
What are you saying? No, tell me, what are you saying? This woman made the whole world believe I killed her son, whereas I didn't. Now tell me, what can that money do? Tell me. How can that money replace and cleanse my dented image? Tell me. Madam, please. Kindly follow me now. Let me show you where I hid the money. So you can take all of it, please.
I'm sorry. Please. I am very sorry. I want you to take half of it, please.
Mama, you've not seen anything yet. That is one aspect of his life that keeps landing him into troubles.
Excuse me?
Madam, I offended him greatly. And now I'm apologizing. My son is gone. And no amount of money in this world can bring him back to life. I'm telling him to take the money. Please, Nyoma. Please. I am very sorry. Collect this money, please. 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 See, my son would have wanted you to take the money. Please.
Baby.
It's okay, my angel.
Okay.
It's okay.
Stop crying.
It's okay.
Stop crying. It's okay. Please.
It's okay.
hereby sentenced to 5 years imprisonment. This is my judgment.
It's okay. It's all right. Let me serve you refreshments.
Thank you.
Oh, the sky is burning. Curse the stars to fall, and the rain is looming. Lord, come shelter me. Don't you pass me over. Take away my pains. Don't you pass